If you're looking to host professional webinars and streamline your online events, Livestorm's moderator tools are exactly what you need. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use these tools to create seamless and engaging webinars. Whether you're new to Livestorm or just exploring how its moderator features can enhance your webinar experience, stick with me because I'll cover everything you need to get started, and stay tuned to the end for a special bonus that you won't want to miss. When you host a webinar with Livestorm, you get access to a robust set of moderator tools that let you control the flow of the event, engage with your audience, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's dive into some of the key tools you'll use as a moderator. First off, you've got the main moderation panel. This is your main command center during the event. From here, you can control the entire session, mute or unmute participants, remove attendees if necessary, and even manage who gets to speak or show their video. This feature ensures that only the right people are heard and seen, which is essential for maintaining a professional atmosphere. One of the most powerful tools in Livestorm is the Q&A feature. As a moderator, you can easily manage questions from the audience, either by answering them live or organizing them for later. You can also upvote or downvote questions to highlight the most relevant ones, keeping the conversation focused and interactive. Next up is chat management. Livestorm allows you to monitor public and private chats simultaneously. You can keep an eye on attendee interactions, address any issues, and even privately message participants for personal queries. This is perfect for keeping things on track without interrupting the flow of the webinar. Livestorm also has live polling, which is a great way to keep your audience engaged. As a moderator, you can launch polls in real time, allowing participants to vote on relevant questions during the session. This feature is a fantastic way to increase engagement and gather immediate feedback. Another useful feature is the hand raising DC tool. If you want to allow audience participation, you can let them raise their hands to ask questions or make comments. As a moderator, you can easily manage who gets to speak next, giving everyone a chance to engage without chaos. Finally, you'll want to utilize event analytics to track the performance of your webinar. After the session, Livestorm provides a detailed report showing you everything from attendee behavior to engagement metrics. This data helps you understand what worked and what didn't, so you can improve future events. What's great about all of this is that Livestorm is incredibly intuitive and easy to use. Even if you're new to webinars, you can quickly get the hang of managing these tools and hosting a smooth professional event. And the best part? You can use Livestorm completely for free with our exclusive bonus by clicking the first link below. So, to wrap things up, if you want to host webinars with powerful moderator tools that help you engage your audience, manage the event smoothly, and track performance, Livestorm has you covered. Remember, you can get started with an exclusive extended free trial using the link below. Go ahead and take advantage of this offer and start hosting high-quality webinars today.